Want to finally get real results online without wasting months on guesswork? What if I told you there's an AI powered system that can help you make money online, even if you've never run an ad, built a list, or created a video before? Stick around because I'm revealing everything about results with Kevin AI. Plus, I've got exclusive bonuses worth hundreds of dollars if you act fast. First impression, I was blown away. This system is beginner friendly, automated, and actually actionable. You don't need technical skills or prior experience. Just plug it in, follow the steps, and start seeing results. And yes, the bonuses I've put together will make this deal insanely profitable for you. So, what exactly is Results with Kevin AI? It's a cloud based platform that guides you through building high converting sales funnels, generating leads, and even monetizing them, all with AI powered automation. Who's it for? If you're a new affiliate marketer with no list, someone struggling to get traffic, or even an experienced marketer wanting to save hours building funnels manually, this is designed to make your life easier and your results faster. And the best part? You don't need to create content from scratch or figure out complicated software. Once you log in, the dashboard is clean and simple. Here's the step-by-step process. Choose your funnel template, done for you designs ready to convert. Connect your email autoresponder. Just plug it in, no coding needed. Generate your pages and links. The AI does the heavy lifting. Track performance. See clicks, conversions, and revenue all in one place. It's literally a plug-and-play system. Whether it's lead capture, sales pages, or affiliate tracking, everything is handled inside the platform.
Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, but the results just aren't showing up? You've bought the courses, watched the webinars, and invested in tools that promised the world. But when it comes down to it, your emails aren't getting opened, your sales pages aren't converting, your traffic is trickling instead of flooding to your offers. And no matter how hard you try, your competitors seem to be light years ahead, effortlessly making sales while you struggle to stay afloat. I get it. Because not long ago, I was exactly where you are right now. You're struggling to get traffic and build your email list, frustrated, confused, and wondering why everything seems to work for others, but not for you. This was until I discovered something that changed everything. The truth is, digital marketing isn't about having great tools. It's about using them the right way and having a system that brings everything together. Most marketers fail not because they lack effort, but because they don't have the right blueprint. They waste hours writing emails that never get opened. They spend money on ads that don't convert. They struggle to create content that actually engages their audience. They don't even realize that AI is already changing the game, and marketers who are using it are the ones dominating right now. Now imagine for a second, what if you could cut 90% of the workload while doubling your conversions? What if your emails practically wrote themselves using AI powered optimization to skyrocket your open rates? What if you could create professional sales pages, video content, and compelling reports with just a few clicks? And what if instead of spinning your wheels and guessing what works? Introducing Results with Kevin AI, the only marketing suite that combines the power of AI with 20 step-by-step video training programs designed to help you get results fast. With Results with Kevin AI, you get Email Marketing AI Coach. Craft high converting emails effortlessly with AI powered subject lines and proven engagement strategies. Pre-sale report and blog post creator. Generate compelling content that builds trust and drives clicks. Sales page copywriter. Instantly create persuasive sales pages that turn visitors into buyers. YouTube review video creator. Produce professional quality videos that build authority and drive sales. Traffic generation AI coach. Unlock AI driven traffic strategies to get targeted visitors to your offers fast. Product creation AI coach. Develop profitable products without the stress or overwhelm. Plus 20 training courses covering everything from email marketing to sales funnels to traffic generation. Live monthly training webinars so you can stay ahead of the industry, trends, and ask experts directly. Look, this isn't just theory. These are battle tested strategies used by top marketers who are making $10,000, $25,000, and even $50,000 per month. People just like you who were once struggling but finally found a system that changed everything. Now you have two choices. You can keep struggling, wasting time and money trying to piece everything together yourself, or you can take action today and let AI do the hard work for you. Right now, you can get full access for just $4.95. But hurry, this offer is only available for the first 100 members and spots are filling up fast. Listen, AI isn't the future, it's already here. And the marketers who adapt now are the ones who will dominate for months and years to come. Don't get left behind. Click the button now and secure your spot and start using AI to skyrocket your results today. Still on the fence? Imagine where you'll be 30 days from now. Will you be still stuck in the same circle of frustration, struggling to make sales and wasting time on strategies that don't work? Or will you have a system that does all the heavy lifting for you, bringing in leads, conversions, and profits effortlessly? The decision is yours, but remember, opportunity waits for no one. Click the button below, lock in your spot, and start building the business and lifestyle you deserve.
Now, there are a few optional upgrades. The ARM system, 26 $85 to $97. Advanced funnel automation and reseller rights. Sell Now system, $497 now. Full sales machine for higher ticket products. Upsell upgrades, $297 to $497. Boost your earning potential with pro level features. You don't have to buy these, but they're great if you want faster results or full agency level funnels. And because you're watching this review, I'm giving you my exclusive bonus stack, 10 plus tools and trainings worth hundreds. WP Swift Page plugin. Speed up your site and reduce bounce rate. Lead book generator. Auto add FB leads to your list. WP Email Timer Plus. Countdown timers to skyrocket conversions. Action Poll. Segment your list for higher opt-ins. Soci Ultima. Free social media traffic automation. Vid Builder. Create high converting video pages fast. Affiliate Marketing Thrive, 6-part video course to crush affiliate marketing. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0, find the most profitable keywords instantly. Backlinks Warrior, build high-quality backlinks for SEO. Instant Content Creator, generate articles and blog posts in minutes, and many more tools to dominate traffic, leads, and conversions. These bonuses are exclusive and only available if you grab this through my link below. I've handpicked everything to complement Kevin A.I. perfectly. Here's my final verdict. Results with Kevin A.I. is a total game changer for beginners and busy marketers alike. And remember, my exclusive bonus stack is limited, only available to the first 25 buyers or for the next 48 hours. Click the link below right now to grab your copy, claim your bonuses, and start building real results today. Thanks for watching. Hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. After you grab the product through my link, all the exclusive bonuses will be delivered instantly. No waiting, no hassle. Don't miss out.